Question number 21. A capital asset means share in private company held more than 24 months. Private company share are generally unlisted. 24 month listed share are 12 months. 21 option B. Question number 22. When while Lakshmi being legal heir of Uday Kumar received 10 lakh from the National Pension System Trust, refer to section 80 CCD. The amount of received chargeable to tax is legal हेयर को मिलेगा तो वो एग्जेम्प्टेड हो जाएगा, वो ऑप्शन सी हो जाएगा 22. ऑप्शन सी 23. In case of non-government employees, the monetary limit for the respective leaves at 3 lakhs. 23 C. 24 penalty finance transaction is 500 every day of delay. 271 FA. 25. 24 आंसर हो जाएगा 500 पर डे फॉर एवरी डे. सेक्शन 2 2721 FA. Question 25. Every person with a company has to file return income only if has to positive income or if you want to carry forward loss CBNA. Company and partnership mandated to file return. এটা false है এটা. Question 25 option B. Question number 26. Chief Executive Officer of every political has to file return of income the party if this total income party without giving to provision of the section 13A. Option D हो जाएगा exceed maximum amount not chargeable to income tax. Question number 27. What is the due date of filing or return on income in case of company who is required to furnish a report of form number 3 CB under section of international transaction. 27 आंसर हो जाएगा बी नवंबर 30 वो असेसमेंट ईयर. कंपनी का ऑडिट होता है वो 31 नवंबर हो जाता है, अक्टूबर हो जाता है और जनरली 31 जुलाई रहता है अदर असेसे के लिए. 27 आंसर भी. 21. One of the following can be carried forward even the return because filed after due date. Unobserved depreciation can be carried forward. Business loss cannot be carried forward. Short-term loss cannot carry forward. Long-term loss cannot be carried forward. ऑप्शन ए हो जाएगा. यदि हाउस प्रॉपर्टी कैन बी कैरी फॉरवर्ड. 21 आंसर हो जाएगा ए अनऑब्जर्व डेप्रिसिएशन. रिटर्न फाइल under section following can be revised. Normal return can be revised, bilateral return can be revised, and revised return can be revised. And option हो जाए डी all of the above. 30 assessment under following sections term as scrutiny assessment. Scrutiny assessment 143 3. Option A 30. Option A. Question number 31. Which of following can be correct to high processing return of income under section? Which of following can be corrected while processing of return income under the 41 in arithmetical error in return? Any error in return of income, any mistake in any claim of taxpayer which is against law, any arithmetical error in the return, ऑप्शन ए हो जाएगा 31, ऑप्शन ए 32, intimation can be set scoot within 1 year from the end of the financial which return income is filed 1 year. Notice under scrutiny assessment should be served within a period of 6 months the end of the financial which return is filed 6 months. 33, 6 months. Objective carrying assessment 140 is to bring under the tax net objective carrying assessment 140 is to bring under the tax net an income which has escaped assessment. ऑप्शन बी हो जाएगा 34 बी. 35 में as per section 115 GB every taxpayer being a company is liable to pay MAT every income tax payable on the total income computed as per provision of the Income Tax Act irrespective of any years less than 15% of book profits. For provision, every taxpayer has been a company to be liable to pay MAT if the income tax payable on the total income the provision of the Income Tax Act in respect of any year is less than tax payable on the total income the computed as per the provision of less than 15% of book profits. हो जाएगा आंसर 35 15% of book profit टोल. Question number 36 MAT shall not be applied to any income accrue arising to a company from life insurance business. ऑप्शन ए हो जाएगा. Question 37 Group profit for the purpose of section 115 GB means net profit as per shown in the statement of as per accordance with group profit as per schedule 3 37 C हो जाएगा आंसर. 38 in case of a non-corporate taxpayer AMT 18.5% adjusted total income. ऑप्शन ए हो जाएगा. Every non-corporate taxpayer to whom the provision of AMT applies is required to obtain a report under chartered accountant for number AMT 29C and MAT 29B. Apply to required to obtain chartered accountant 29C and 40 आंसर हो जाएगा 29B हो जाएगा. मैथ रिकॉर्ड टू रिपोर्ट ऑफ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट फॉर 29B. क्वेश्चन नंबर 39 आंसर हो जाएगा डी. 40 आंसर हो जाएगा सी. 40 का आंसर सी.